A leak, a hazard, seconds to react. Meet MAGNASEAL, the high-strength magnetic leak patch from FireMax, a pressure-resistant seal that snaps to metal and buys you time, fast. Engineered for action. In HazMat and CBRN incidents, every drip can become a corridor of contamination. You need rapid containment that reduces hands-on exposure and helps protect soil and water before the scene escalates. Fast, one-person control, apply by hand, throw it into position, or reach the leak with a pike pole, even before the full team arrives. No tools. And if the first placement isn't perfect, reposition and seal again. Built for chemical response. MAGNASEAL's urethane body is tested against 25 commonly transported chemicals at maximum concentration. For extreme situations, add the optional peel and stick Teflon layer for extra resistance. Strong rare earth magnets deliver instant grip on metal. The patented urethane encapsulation protects magnets from heat, cracking, rust, and sparking. Datasheet rating: guaranteed hold up to 1.72 bar, 25 psi for pressure-backed leaks. MAGNASEAL helps minimize direct contact with leaking substances during application. Seal fast, reduce spread, and protect drains, soil, and waterways around the hot zone, while your team keeps control of the scene. Fast containment means fewer resources, less product loss, and a cleaner recovery. Reduce cleanup time, downtime, and the risk of fines or litigation. One decisive seal, and a safer, more controllable incident. Choose the right size, from 20 to 91 centimeters, with D-rings, straps, and a dedicated storage bag for safe transport. Add MAGNASEAL to your spill kit and be ready for the next call. Contact FireMax.